You guys, I'm just listening to the silence. When you can hear the motor of the fridge, that you didn't even recognize that that was a thing, and you can hear the clock ticking on the wall, that's new. That is new. Oh my god. But
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
hi fairies, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. How are you guys doing? It's a brand new day in JA in my house. Well, it's only right. I got my shirt this morning. You guys, got up this morning 5:30 as usual and got our workout in, and of course babe was right there with me. I'm super proud. So we got our workout in while the kids were sleeping and finished workout. I'll show you guys a bit of what we did this morning, just a little tap bit, because the camera died while I was filming the workout, so you guys won't get to see much. Look, I'm going all out Jamaican this morning with my Jamaica Coffee National Fruit Cup with some bio mint and citron, mint and lemon tea. So I'm having tea, the kids are having breakfast so that they can get ready to head out. I'm gonna drop them to school and then I'm gonna head to the post office and head right back home because I have some stuff that I need to get done today. With all that said, hopefully you guys are doing well. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, stay safe, be honest, be kind to one another. Love you guys. I'm gonna pass you guys over to the babies so you guys can say hello while they're having breakfast. Where's babe? Somewhere around here getting ready. But anyway, here you go. Here you go. Who's go? Say morning. Tyler.
What gonna use me? Diapani Gaza.
Hey, what you doing in Gaza do?
Eating breakfast.
Alright, what you having for breakfast?
Jamaican cereal.
Jamaican cereal, not at all. That's not. If you were having Jamaican cereal, if there's such a thing, you would have probably be oats porridge or cornflakes. We eat a lot of cornflakes back home. Sarah, look at the faves. Turn around. Look up. Look. Let me show you. Look up. Say good morning, babes.
The still only see.
She's saying what one. Have your cereal.
Okay.
No, thank you. Okay. All done? Ready to go get ready for school?
Mama.
Yes.
Why
Come
is my
on,
head
let's go get ready for school, okay?
so small on the camera?
You You're so tired. Go. Boy, I'm so tired. She said, I'm so tired. That's what you said? Come, let's go brush teeth first. Come on, let's go brush teeth and then put on rainbow clothes, okay? No, you look really nice. You guys, look at baby in this work outfit. This blue and blue with the brown shoes. You look so nice. You look fine, husband. Say morning. You can't say thanks. You want me to take back my compliment?
Thank you. Good morning, guys. Sunday morning.
Sunday morning? You play too much. This man says Sunday morning. You're funny. Very, very funny.
I go church.
You go, you go church.
Yeah.
So where is your tie and the jacket?
Oh,
With the pasta. Babe, you know where your tie is not work anymore?
sometimes, but they are at work.
You leave them in the office?
Yeah.
So they're not crush. They don't want to iron?
So you think they
I don't know, because I know you probably might crush them up and dish them in a drawer. You hang them in your closet?
They're not hang the food.
Okay. I have to watch you, you know, because I don't trust you when it comes to that. Anyway, have a good day.
You too.
Look at the kids. They got ready for school and look at them out there. Okay, Ty, go to PP. Sarah, go to PP.
Hey, Mama, did you just find your cut when I was talking?
Oops. Be careful.
I was
Go PP. Put my... You guys, I'm just listening to the silence. When you can hear the motor of the fridge, that you didn't even recognize that that was a thing, and you can hear the clock ticking on the wall, that's new. That is new. Oh my god. But with that being said, my babies are at school and I'm going to dive into some work that give me time to work, that give me time to do what I have to do and stay busy. I just got back off the road. I didn't get to film while I went to the post office. I went to the post office to send a package for my friend in Netherlands. I have a Christmas cake here for her in my freezer from last year Christmas. And she was supposed to come here, but she didn't get to come again during summertime. So I sent it to her. She said she wants her cake. So oh my gosh, I sent off her cake. That is so funny. But yeah, you guys, that's it. I am going to get some work done. And I'll talk to you guys throughout today. You guys, I just woke up from a little nap. Did you hear that? A nap. Yes, me, Melissa Wallace, got a nap in the day. Oh my god. Is that even life? Yep, I got a 1 hour nap in. I don't want to nap too much, but I felt myself getting so tired, because you guys know I'm not a napper in the day. Or is it that I'm not a napper in the day, or I didn't have the means of napping in the day when I had both my kids at home? But anyway, I had lunch. Lunch was super good. I got some work done. I did some laundry and such. And now I am in the kitchen about to make dinner. So I have an hour and some minutes to make dinner before I go and pick up my kids from school. You know, times like this, you realize how fast the day goes by when you have the entire day to yourself. Like, how is it after evening already? It's crazy. And when your kids are home, you know, the time don't go by so fast. But now the time is flying, like you want you to hurry up and go pick them up. Oh my gosh, I hope they're both having a good day at school though. And of course, I'll give you guys an update by the end of the vlog. So I'm putting some chicken wings in the oven, and then with that, I already have veggies in the fridge. I already have starch in the fridge, so I will not cook anything else except these chicken wings. Look who I picked up from school. Say hello. Hello. Look who I picked up. Sarah, Fave, say hello. When she take over your greeting fully tie. Intella.
Well, at least you will have the wagwan.
Exactly. Sarah, you ate pizza at school today? Yes, Mama.
With shaved cheese on.
You eat toast with goat cheese and sauce. And what? And what else?
And the bread that I put the cheese on.
And what else? And a fruit that you didn't like.
What is it?
And a fruit that you didn't like.
Yes, then you make problem.
Okay. What else you eat at school, Sarah? What did you eat at school today?
School today.
I eat.
School today.
No, I eat pizza.
I eat pizza.
I eat carrot.
I eat carrot.
I eat.
I eat.
What else did you eat?
Yes.
What else did you eat? What you eat?
Chicken that look like chicken.
You eat chicken today?
Yeah.
You sure? I don't think so. Just heading back home from picking up the kids, and I talked to the assistants at the gate to ask her how Sarah day went, because the assistant, she's with Sarah all day and all evening, all day, from the morning to the evening. And she said Sarah day today is the better day. Today was better than every other day. She said it was a little bit more calmer today. She definitely slept today because another one of the assistants put Sarah in her lap, rock her a bit, calm her down, and she went to sleep. So that was good. And Sarah ate a little bit today, so that was good. Sarah, Tai, come in, run. Run, Sarah, run. Run, Sarah, run. They gone. My two crazy kids.
I'm Spider-Man.
Look how she gonna slap you with it now. She follows everything that she see her brother does.
Hello, I'm Hello, I'm Spider-Man.
Look at her. Look at her, look at her. Alright guys, so this is what dinner look like. This is Tyler's plate. Tyler love him some macaroni and cheese, and then I ended up making green beans and corn and the chicken that you guys saw earlier. So there goes dinner for the fam. Bam. This one is babe plate, but I won't have the green beans. I'll have cabbage from last night with chicken. So there goes dinner. And there goes mama's dinner. You're doing all the talking tonight, because if I start talking, I'll be just rambling because I'm falling asleep. That's not nice. That's mean.
Mwah.
No more fry you.
I know when your wife's tired, there's everything you can do. Whoa!
Babe, I don't have no strength. Can you stop before and talk to Faze and before I
Hey guys, it's, well, you can see her face. It's the end of her day. It's the end of the day, and she nap.
It look like I'm gonna have to take
She
a long nap in the day and take
Think
a
about
nap.
me. You make me wake up at
You know,
5:30.
you know when I
and
tell
I don't
him,
nap.
you know when I tell him today that I was going to nap, I knew he was going to say that. And God, I knew he was going to say he didn't
Of
nap and I napped.
course.
But if he think he's gonna use that and make an excuse to not wake up and work out,
No,
make a sad mistake.
I won't use that as an excuse. I'm gonna follow you very soon. So yeah, you look very tired, my wife.
I am tired.
So yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. That was a good one, right?
A little bit, because now the kids are not home for them to get vlog all day, so I can't show you. I can't show you guys me sitting at the computer doing my French studies or editing all day. So the vlogs will be getting shorter.
But don't worry, tomorrow the kids at home, and the weekends the kids at home, and we're gonna do a lot of activities. So you won't even see that. Well, if you enjoyed the vlog, give this video a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Say it louder.
I'm not energetic.
Say it louder.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
That's better.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Don't forget to like, to
Comment and baby, you say
comments, to share, to turn on the notification bell. I will see you guys
tomorrow. Tomorrow in my time, Jaja, no sir.